Hi, I'm Dear Franz, and let us see today how to outline the image in Photoshop. This is our Photoshop project, and for example I would like to outline this New Year tree ball. Okay, in order to do it, it has to be in its own separate layer, PNG layer. So what we have to do, we have to create this layer with this ball only. So let's go to Object Selection tool, because I want to select it. Click on it, and I'm holding left click of my mouse and choosing my ball to be in this square. Now we have to wait a little bit. Okay, ball is chosen, ball is selected. So now I will do right click of my mouse and choose layer via copy. So we created new layer, and I will remove background to see that on this layer is only our ball. This is PNG file. So maybe I will have to correct the edges of my ball, but not to spend your time today. You will do it for yourself. I will just a little bit remove some extra stuff with eraser tool. That's it for now. Okay, so let's return our background, and now I'm going to our layer with our ball and do double left click of my mouse. I have layer style and choosing stroke. Click on it, and here we can see we can choose the color of our outline. Click on it and choose. Let it be red, for example. Okay. Now let us choose the size. Let it be thick line, and you can do it to be inside, outside, or center. Center means like half of the lane to be inside the ball, half to be outside. Okay, let it be outside, and let it be thinner, not so thick. And then you can choose the blend mode, but let it be normal, and opacity. For me it's okay, and that's it actually. Let's click OK. I think it's good. Thank you for staying with me, and hope to see you soon. Bye.